You can support us by placing commission or buy digital content, link in description below. In the previous episode, we went through how to sketch the concept and draw line art for it. This time, we will do coloring for it. After sketching and coloring, shading is one of the most important step which will make your design look it's in 3D environment. You can follow the lighting rule as description. So now we got the inner frame of the design. As the beginning, we decide that this model will be a high mobility model, so all of the design, armor and equipment have to keep constantly that design language. To add armor to the inner frame, we can add another layer on the button design and keep everything aligned. The two main elements that will show that this is a high mobility model: first, polygon, design which is sliced and cut into many surface. Second, the angle between connected surface. Third, air van.